In this video, I will show you how to pay Wells Fargo credit card online. To do that, you can simply open Wells Fargo app or simply open up any web browser. In the search bar, search for Wells Fargo, then click on this URL. Here in the top right corner, you can see this menu bar. Right beside it, there is the sign on. Simply click on it. Now put in your username and your password and click on sign on. Once you're logged in, you can choose your credit card account. There you will find make a payment button. Simply click on it. There choose your funding account. Type in the payment amount. Then you can schedule the same day payment or choose a future date. And that's it. That's how you can pay Wells Fargo credit card online. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.